Family. So I just got my rig side up in the back of the truck. Everything turned out good as far as my measurements. You know, when I tried to make it no wider or longer than 4 foot, because it works good. So I didn't want it to exceed this. So I stepped back. You see, I got about 8 inches step back here, and that's pretty much touching the back. And it still kept it from touching this. So, you know, it worked out fine. I killed a couple birds with one stone. And as you see, if it did move, it can only go this way or that way. But I'm going to anchor it down so it can stay put until I need to move it. So it worked out good. Everything worked good. My left and eyes, everything worked out good. So I am impressed. I'm tickled to death with it because I literally just came up with this idea and I put some actions behind it and made it happen. And that's what you do when you're building your empire. You think outside of the box and you don't make excuses. You just make examples.